Question number 10. A and B are two numbers on the number line below. The difference between A and B is 140. Well, wait there, let's make a note of that. So we've got a gap between A and B of 140. Write the values of A and B. Well, what we've got to do here is realise, and we can show our working, is that we've got a big gap of 140, but we are splitting that into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mini gaps. So that 140 is shared by 7 mini gaps. And if we share that by 7 with a quick bus shelter, 7s into 1 won't go, but we haven't really used a 1. 7s into 14 goes twice, and 7s into 0 goes 0 times. So each mini gap must be worth 20. So what this is telling us is that we're going up and down in 20s, up above 0 and below 0. So if we go above 0 first, up in 20s, this first line will be 20, 40, 60, 80. And already there you can see we've got the value of B. So the value of B is 60. Now we need to go below 0, down in 20. So minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100, minus 120. And there you can see we've got the value of A as well, which is minus 80. And that's the answer to the question. First of all, figure out what the big gap is. Then share that equally amongst the amount of mini gaps that you've got. And then you can work out how to go up and down the number line.